Hi, to enable auto updates on the Samsung Galaxy A34, we would need to go in the settings and here scroll till the end to see the About Phone tab. So now go in the software information and you would see this build number. So to enable auto updates, we would need to enable developer options first. And for that, simply tap on the build number 7 times. Let me show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now you need to enter your current PIN code if you have one, and after that you would see that the developer mode has been turned on. And to check it, we need to go back in the previous setting. And now under the About Phone tab, we can see the section Developer Options. So simply tap it and here scroll a bit to see this section Auto Update System, and if you want to enable it, just tap on the switcher so it will light up blue, and now apply updates when the phone restarts. After that you can also just disable developer options, but these auto updates will be still enabled. Just simply tap here. And now developer options are gone, and to activate them again you would need to tap on the build number 7 times as we did before. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.